So it'll be the elevator to the
Light rail riders may experience
to the
up to 10
to the
maintenance work.
Oh yeah, anyway, this is the elevator at the Steel Plaza subway station that goes to the I think North Shore and Gateway platform. Whatever.
On the inbound platform. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your patience.
Okay, I'm going up to mezzanine. What the hell is going on? Oh my god, City of Pittsburgh, get your act together, please. Dinner bell! I think it's probably the first time I actually did an HD take of this elevator. Okay. Do I want to use my Connect card to go to Oakland? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's go down. Here we're down on the platform level. I'm getting kind of low-key agitated a little bit. I hate to say it.
On Saturday, May 4th,
Here we go. Typical Westinghouse MPH from 1985. Little fan up there. I didn't even notice that vent. Okay, so yeah. It's not really special, although that dinner bell is definitely catchy. So yeah, anyway, that's it.